We're looking at Word, skill 2.13 and 2.14, changing paragraph alignment and changing paragraph spacing. The code word for this lesson is going to be sister, S-I-S-T-E-R. What we're looking at is there's basically four different alignment types that you can use for a paragraph. Your standard that you use most of the time is going to be your left alignment, your left justified, or left alignment I should say. And that's where everything lines up on the left margin and words will wrap whenever they reach the right margin, they'll begin to wrap. The next you might use this often, I would not recommend using this on papers though, is your center alignment. Center alignment puts everything in the center. When words wrap, it moves things in and it sets everything up to be centered among your page. You can see that right here. The next one, fairly rarely used, but is your right alignment, and that is just the opposite of the left. It lines everything up on the right margin, and when it wraps, it starts again pushing things in from the left. That's your right alignment. One that could be used more often than I think it is your justified alignment. This is sort of like your newspaper or even your books that you read. That's where it will set the spacing on each line in a way that the left and right margins are filled. You can see right here we've got a nice crisp line down the left margin and a nice crisp line down the right margin. So that's the justified alignment. Again, all of these are found here on the Home tab in the paragraph section. You got keyboard shortcuts again for these. Down in the try this, left align is Control L, right align or center align is Control E, right align Control R, and justify is Control J. So that's how you do those. The next thing I want to show you is the changing spacing of a paragraph. Any good student knows how to do this. Well, I don't want to say good student, I'm making a joke there. Adding spacing between each line on a paragraph is something you can do. Right here you can see there's 1.15 space between my lines in this paragraph. If I wanted to increase that, I could do that right here. I could do double spacing. You see it gives a lot more space there. If I hit Control A, it selects everything in my document, and I can go ahead and increase the space throughout. This is a good way to take a 2-page essay and turn it into a 3-page essay, so you'll want to remember this trick here. So that is paragraph justification or alignment and spacing.